And we have one more story for you before we go. If you need help selling your home for cash, we have a solution for you. Vanessa Villafuerte has all the details.
Today we're talking to Dean Rogers with Home Helpers Group. Hi, thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for having me.
Good to see you. So we know that you buy houses for cash, but can you tell us exactly what you do at Home Helpers?
Yeah, so I'm Dean from Home Helpers Group, and we're a local home buying company here right in the Central Valley. We've been doing that for over 15 years, improving our community. And you can think of working with us like pressing the easy button, right? When it comes to selling your house, it can be really stressful, really overwhelming. And we make it really easy because we buy your house as is, meaning you don't have to do any repairs or any cleaning. We can close on your timeline or really quickly if we need to. And there's no realtor fees or closing costs, no fees at all.
I think the big selling point here is making it as less stressful for people,
Yes,
right? Because
yeah.
like you said, it can be really daunting for home buyers, right? And I know, who is a typical homeowner that comes to you for help?
Yeah, so typically we end up seeing a lot of the same things. So we got a lot of experience on how to problem solve, and we pride ourselves in really trying to help make it as seamless and stress-free as possible. And we get calls every day, and we're in the living rooms with homeowners here in the community every day. And our goal is to help them get through this. And the typical problems that we see is either a homeowner just wants to sell it quick and easy and not have to deal with the hassle of selling it, or they have a typical problem that we see and it just feels too much to take on by themselves, right? It's a problem too big to solve alone. And so the problems we'll see is maybe they inherited a home, or they're going through a probate, or they're behind on payments, or they have tenants that are giving them problems, right? Having to work through that. Maybe they even need to do an eviction or dealing with squatters. Too many repairs, relocating, divorce, all the things that just happen to us in life and can be hard to do alone, right?
Yeah, and a lot of the times, sometimes someone's experiencing it for the first time, so they don't know how to navigate it, right? So that's sort of when you guys step in.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if someone is watching and they're thinking about selling, what does that process look like?
So it's really simple. You just go to our website, homehelpersgroup.com, fill out your information. We'll have a quick call to understand your situation and how we can help you. You'll get a free, no obligation cash offer. And then once we come to an agreement, we'll take care of all the heavy lifting from there.
That's amazing. And the process is is it like that? Is there a certain timeline, or it really just depends?
So the traditional process takes anywhere from 3 to 6 months, right? You're hiring a realtor, you're expected to fix up your house and spend money to do that. Then you have months of people coming in and out of your house before you even get an offer. Once you finally get an offer, you go through another month of bank appraisals and inspections, requests for repairs. It's a whole process, and it can be really overwhelming. So with us, it typically takes 1 to 2 weeks. So we're talking days instead of months.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is such a difference. Like that's like a big selling point for a lot of people too. Well, Dean, thank you so much for being with us today. We really appreciate your time.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.